Good morning, all of the students of second grade Umar bin Khattab. So today our subject is English. We're going to learn about where we live. Kita tinggalnya di mana gitu kan. Nah, the first thing we have to know about where we live, we have to know our surroundings, our neighborhood. Jadi kita harus tahu di sekitar kita, tetangga kita, maksudnya what kind of building, bangunan apa namanya, and di mana, where is it, di depan kah, in front kah, atau di belakang kah, behind, atau di samping, next to, atau kita itu di antara, between. But we have to know the buildings-nya dulu ya. Kita harus tahu bangunannya atau the things around us, sesuatu yang ada di sekitar kita. The first one is playground, which means tempat bermain. Usually in the playground we also have swings, slide, kita juga punya ayunan dan juga perosotan. The second one is cinema or movie theater. Cinema or movie theater, which means bioskop. Number 3, swimming pool, which means kolam renang. Number 4, park, which means taman. Number 5, hospital, which means rumah sakit. Number 6, bus stop, which means pemberhentian bus atau halte. Number 7, shop, or store, which means toko. Number 8, street, which means jalan. Number 9, cafe, which means cafe. Number 10, train station, which means stasiun kereta api. So you may look at your student's book, page 34, and say the words, and you may look at your workbook on page 122 to practice the spelling of the words. Untuk berlatih pengejaannya, Nana Umi bisa lihat buku workbooknya halaman 122. Okay, all of the students, you may look at your student's book, page 35. Lihat buku student's booknya halaman 35. Nah, you may look at the picture, read and circle. Kamu lihat di gambar, baca dan lingkarilah. Nah, number 1, has Top Town got a cinema? Yes, it has. Nah, di situ ada cinema ya tulisannya, come and see a film. So that means Top Town has got a cinema. Kota Top atau Top Town itu memiliki bioskop. Number 2, has Top Town got a cafe? Ada nggak cafe di Top Town? Yes, you may circle yang no it hasn't, because Top Town hasn't got a cafe. Nggak ada kafenya. Yang ada park, train station, cinema, and school. Okay, Umi will present another picture of map. Ada gambar dena. So let's look at the picture. Okay, this picture called JRM City. Nah, ini namanya kota JRM. Let's look at the map. Has JRM City got a hospital? Yes, it has. Ada hospital di situ ya. Behind the museum. Di belakang museum itu ada hospital. And if I ask you, has JRM City got a train station? No, it hasn't. Yang ada bus station. There's no train station. And has JRM City got a hotel? Yes, it has. That's right. So you may look at the picture and find out, has the city got something? Has the city got a park? Has the city got a school? So if you want to say, apakah di kota ini ada sesuatu gitu kan? Has the city got blank. Kamu dengar? Has Medan City got a supermarket? Yes, it has. So it's really fun if you can play ask and answer with your family. Okay, everyone, now we're going to go to the next section. All the students may look at your student's book, page 37. Buka bukunya halaman 37 di student's book. Now we're going to identify where is the building at. Di mana ya bangunan ini berada? So, if you want to know about where is the building, you have to know about the preposition first. Nah, Naomi harus tahu kata tunjuk itu apa aja. Yang pertama itu adalah in front of, which means di depan. Number 2, behind, which means di belakang. Number 3, next to, which means di samping. And the last one is between. Between itu artinya di antara. So, as you can see, the map on the student's book page 37 yang bisa kalian lihat di denah yang ada di buku student's booknya halaman 37, you may look at the cafe. Cafe is between. Cafe itu berada di antara school and cinema. Cafe is between school and cinema. And behind misalnya tree, lihat tuh ada pohon. Pohonnya itu di belakang bioskop. Jadi tree is behind the cinema. Tree is behind the cinema. Nah, terus kalau misalnya in front of, di depan. Hospital is in front of the school. Hospital is in front of the school. Atau train station is in front of cafe. Nah, and if you want to say next to, di samping, you may say school is next to cafe. School is next to cafe, or hospital is next to train station. Atau cinema is next to cafe. Nah, jadi bisa juga dibilang seperti itu. Okay, all the students, Umi have another example about how to say between, in front of, behind, and next to. So, on the screen, you may look at the map, neighborhood map, peta atau denah lokasi rumah ya. So, let's look at David's house. Lihat rumah David. Nah, rumah David itu kan berada di antara taman dan rumahnya Catherine. Jadi you may say David's house is between park and Catherine house. David's house is between park and Catherine's house. Nah, bagaimana dengan library? Library itu berada di depan rumahnya David. Berarti you may say library is in front of David's house. Library is in front of David's house. Nah, Pas di dekat library itu ada rumahnya si Ariana. Di sebelah library itu ada rumahnya Ariana. So you may say library is next to Ariana's house. Library is next to Ariana's house. Atau kamu juga bisa bilang Ariana's house is next to library. So it's okay. It's same. It has same meaning ya. And okay, now we look at the school. Let's look at the school. Nah, school itu apa sih yang berada di depannya? Yes, you may say the school is in front of the supermarket. The school is in front of the supermarket. Nah, jadi kita udah tahu ada tadi in front of library, in front of David's house. Terus kalau yang next to bisa Ariana's house is next to library, atau library is next to Ariana's house. Dan kalau misalnya kita mau pakai between, David's house between Park and Catherine's house. Rumahnya si David ada di antara taman dan rumahnya Catherine. Nah, kalau kita mau pakai yang in front of, kita bisa gunakan yang school dan supermarket. Supermarket is in front of the school, atau the school is in front of the supermarket. It doesn't matter. So I hope that you can understand much more after looking at the example or listen to Umi's video. Thank you so much. Let's look at your student's book, page 38, and let's read the conversations. Look, the train is leaving the station. Lihat, kereta api meninggalkan stasiun. But there's a tree on the track. Tapi terdapat pohon di atas lajur kereta api. Run Flash, run and stop the train. Lari Flash, lari dan hentikan kereta api. Okay. Stop the train. Hentikan kereta api. Wow, she's fast. Cepet banget dia. It's no good. Let's try something else. Gak bener nih. Cari cara lain deh. She's next to my train again. What does she want? Dia berada di samping kereta api lagi. Apa sih yang dia mau? S-T-O-P. Stop. And finally the train is stopped. And thanks kids. No problem. Okay. Now we're going to look at the student's book, page 39. We're going to learn about the preposition, letak di mana dan bagaimana cara mengatakannya. Okay. Page 39, halaman 39. Point to pictures in the story and make sentences. The super friends are the super friends berada di atas bukit. The super friends are on the hill. Next, pengemudi kereta api berada di dalam kereta api. The driver is in the train. The driver is in the train. Pengemudi kereta api berada di dalam kereta api. The tree, pohon, berada di atas jalur kereta api. The tree is on the track. The tree is on the track. Flash, di mana Flash? Yes, Flash itu berada di samping kereta api. Flash is next to the train. Flash is next to the train. Flash berada di samping kereta api. And the train is in the station. Jadi awalnya si trainnya ini berada di dalam stasiun. The train is in the station. And setelah berjalan dia berada di atas track atau di atas jalur. Kalau mau bilang kereta api berada di atas lajur atau jalur kereta api, you may say the train is on the track. Okay, thank you. Okay, now all the students, you may look at your workbook, page 37. Nah, you may see there is a map and there are blank spaces. Kamu akan lihat ada denah dan juga blank space on the building, di bangunan-bangunan. What you have to do is you write the words. kamu tulis ini nama bangunannya apa. Tapi caranya dengan membaca teks yang ada di bawahnya. Okay, let's read the text first. In our town, the school is on Blue Street in front of the train station. Nah, kamu harus tahu di mana Blue Street itu. Ya, benar, di jalan raya itu ada tulisannya Blue Street. Nah, kita mau tahu school itu adanya di jalan Blue atau di Blue Street. Yuk, let's see. Di Blue Street itu ada 4 buildings, ada 4 bangunan. Yang pertama, shoe shop. Yang kedua, itu ada blank space, terus ada bookshop dan blank space. Nah, lihat kalau misalnya si school itu berada di Blue Street dan dia berada di in front of the train station, dia berada di depan stasiun kereta api. So, you may write down school in the right place ya. Lihat di mana yang di depan train station dan di jalan Blue Street. Next. On Blue Street, there are lots of shops. Banyak banget toko-toko di jalan Blue atau di Blue Street. There is a bookshop, ada bookshop, ada toy store atau toy shop, dan ada shoe shop. Ada toko buku, toko mainan, dan toko sepatu. The toy shop is between the bookshop and the shoe shop. Berarti kalau between dia di antara. Toy shop itu berada di antara shoe shop dan bookshop. Nah, you may write down the right answer in the blank space ya. Kamu boleh tulis jawaban yang tepatnya di bagian yang kosong. Nah, next. There is a park behind the shops. Jadi ada park behind. Kalau behind berarti di belakang. Behind the shops. You may write down the right answers on the blank space. Next, and there is a swimming pool behind the park. Di belakangnya park ada lagi swimming pool. Jadi di mana kita tulis swimming pool, tinggal anak-anak Umi tulis di tempat yang tepat. And next to the swimming pool, kalau next to berarti di sampingnya. Next to swimming pool there is a playground. Nah, next to swimming pool there is a playground. You may write down playground in the right place. It's so easy. Okay, all the students, that's enough for our chapter where we live. I hope that you can review the lessons and ask me directly if you have any questions about today's or about this chapter. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.